Hello guys, welcome to RBA Solutions training series. Today, I will be highlighting the items required for an analog CCTV system installation. Before we begin, please do well to subscribe to this channel, and if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Without wasting any more time, come along and let's begin. To install an analog CCTV system for your house, office, or premise, you will need the following items. 1. Cameras. 2. DVR. 3. Monitor. 4. Cables. 5. Connectors. 6. Power supply. 7. UPS. This is optional but recommended. 8. Cabinet, also optional. And 9. Accessories. The DVR, also known as digital video recorder, is responsible for recording the videos received from the cameras and converting them into a viewable and storable format. The DVR channel size is determined by know of cameras to be installed. We have 4, 8, 16 and 32 channel DVRs. The cameras are the main components of the CCTV system. They provide the video footage required. There are different types of cameras. The type of camera to be used is determined by the site or client's requirements. Connectors. The connectors used for the analog CCTV system include BNC connectors or video balun, power connectors, and in some cases, the RJ45 connectors. For an analog CCTV system, the best cable to use is the RJ59 cable. This is a coaxial cable with power cables attached. However, Cat6 cables can also be used. These cables run from the DVR to the camera. Most of the CCTV kits come with pre-made cables. Apart from this, we have the HDMI or VGA cable, which is connected between the DVR and the monitor to provide video footage. Finally, if remote viewing of the system is required, a network cable will be required to connect from DVR to router. This is usually a Cat6 cable. The cabinet houses the DVR, power supply, and a few other components securely. Also, all the cables of the CCTV system are terminated in the cabinet. This can be ignored if the client has an alternative shelf or cupboard installed. The monitor is the primary tool used to view the cameras and view configuration settings from the DVR. In cases where remote monitoring is activated on the system, the client can choose to ignore the monitor and use mobile devices for viewing. The power supply is used to provide power to the cameras. Power adapters can sometimes be used to provide this power. The power supply units are differentiated by their power output and quantity of cameras required. Still on power, the UPS is a highly recommended power backup system. It ensures the system remains on, even when there is power failure. A good UPS will protect the system from power surges and power failure. This is often a requirement for warranty. There are other items which may also be required to carry out an analog CCTV installation. They include a power extension board, trunking enclosures, pipes and bends, screws and wall plugs, plug and socket, network switch or router, etc. The usage of some of these items is dependent on the installation design and may not be required in every case. In summary, The items highlighted in this video are the required items for an analog CCTV installation. For more information, kindly contact us. I hope this was informative to you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.